Hello and welcome back to Dutchman Seb. I'm Brad. I'm also here with Christo.
Hi everyone.
And today we are here with the new Peugeot 2008. We are very excited to have it with us, and let's see what it's all about. So as this is the first Peugeot to arrive in South Africa since the recent formation of the Stellantis group, let's just focus on the exterior for a moment, because I truly believe that Peugeot know how to make their cars stand out on the roads. You've got these claw-like headlamps over here going down into the saber-tooth-like design, and with this grille coming exclusively on the GT line, it really does look good on the roads, and it has a lot of road presence, unlike its competitors which have more conservative designs.
Once you step into the new 2008, you can really sense that Peugeot's taken a lot of time and put a lot of effort into choosing the correct materials and the correct finishes on the vehicle to ensure that it's futuristic, comfortable, yet practical. Yes, there are some plastics here and there, but it definitely makes up for the fact that you've got soft finishes on the dashboard. You've got this nice carbon fiber styling, although it is very soft. It just gives you a whole futuristic look. What makes Peugeot's new 2008 really stand out is a world first 3D digital cockpit. You also get this really futuristic steering wheel with a flat bottom and a flat top. The reason for the flat top is just to make it easier just to see the digital dashboard, and I think it really works. It kind of gives me a bit of a Jetsons vibe, if I can say that. Included in this new 2008 model, you have a 10-inch infotainment display, as well as this beautiful floating bridge here with actual buttons, as well as touch buttons which control your music, your climate control, your navigation, your car, as well as other features. You have this storage space here which you can put your phone in. That includes a wireless charger. You also have a USB Type-C port and a USB port, as well as your 12-volt socket. And you do get various driving modes on the GT line, which you can skip through if you want to take your car, off a bit off-road, or if you just want to drive in the city as eco mode, snow mode, which I don't think is going to be useful in South Africa, but I mean, it's included. So if you want to take it up in the serious mountains during winter, you're more than welcome to. The really cool thing about the new Peugeot 2008, because it's keyless go, you simply just put it in your pocket and the car does the rest for you. The design language for the 2008 is carried throughout the car. Leather seats, nice material in the middle, as well as a leather stripe with green stitching. You get enough headroom, enough knee space. It comes equipped with 2 USB chargers, storage bin, and ISOFIX mounting points. However, one downside is it doesn't have your usual center armrest with 2 cup holders, but I really can't fault it on that. It also doesn't have enough storage space on the side, so you can't really put a bottle in there. However, it does have electric windows in the back, although there's a bit of plastic, but that's nothing to worry about. And then it also comes with touch sensitive lights in the back as well.
So we come and have a look at the boot space. You'll see that it can accommodate 434 litres worth of capacity, which can be increased if you lower the floor to its second position. So let's get out of that spot and get onto a bit of driving, because that's where this car really shines, I feel. So this car actually has a 1.2 litre turbo petrol engine, and it has 96 kilowatts and 230 newton meters of torque, which is actually quite punchy. And if I put my foot down, there's a bit of noise coming in on the interior. I don't know if you can hear that, but it does sound quite punchy, and it is a bit punchy when you put your foot down like that, making for good overtaking maneuvers and stuff like that. So in terms of comfort, I should say that this car does sit on the road really nicely, and it does glide over bumps quite subtly, and the interior cabin noise is very minimal, so I can't really knock it on that. But one little nitpick that I do have is the size of this A-pillar and also its positioning. It does get in the way of your view when you're looking out of the windscreen, and I don't really like that, but it does come with the design of the car. So interestingly, Michelin and Peugeot have actually partnered up together to create a tire for this car to actually reduce the fuel consumption. Now, the claimed figure is 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers, but I've managed to get 8.9 liters, which is a bit higher than claimed, but I mean, I do have a bit of a heavy foot. So one thing you do have to get used to in this car is the steering wheel position and its size, because honestly, it is smaller than usual and it is more compact. So you don't get to see your instrument cluster through the steering wheel rather than over it. So you do have to get used to that, and it does depend on your height. So if you are quite a tall chap, that's going to be to your benefit, but if you're short like me, you have to lower the steering wheel quite low to be able to see the instrument cluster. Considering you get this entire package for 479,900 Rand, I really don't think there is another car on the market that is this up to date and this modern. I really think you should go and have a look at one at your nearest dealership, because it is just such a marvel to look at and experience. I really enjoyed it on the road, even though I did have a few nitpicks here and there. It is a brilliant car all round, and yeah, as I said, you should go and have a look at one. So yeah,
That's it from us, a Dutch from Seb with myself and Brad. We really hope that you enjoyed this week's video, and we'll see you on the next one. And as always, like, share and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you guys later.
have a good one.
Cheers guys.